What's up you guys, it's Graham here. So I gotta say, I was pretty blown away last week with the amount of interest in my video, how to make passive income with $1,000. And anytime I see a topic do well, I know there's enough demand for more information and to expand on the topic a little bit further. Which is perfect because I got a good suggestion to turn it up a notch, turn up the heat so to say. And that brings us to this video, how to make passive income with $0. Yes, that's right, $0. Nothing. Nada. No money whatsoever. It's free. Zero. Did I mention it's free? Hit the like button. Now this might sound unbelievable or like the introduction to some sort of super sketchy multi-level marketing scheme, but it's not. As long as you buy these beautiful limited edition Cutco knives only available right now through this exclusive YouTube offer. Just kidding. Don't do that. That's a joke. But for real though, making passive income with no financial investment whatsoever is absolutely possible as long as you have access to a computer, a phone, an internet connection, and the ability to smash that like button if you haven't done that already. So I'll do my best to go over the strategies that you can use to make this happen, and when it comes to talking about this, I will be brutally honest about everything. I'm not going to sugarcoat it or make it sound easier than it actually is, and for the people who are actually willing to go and put in the work, I think this video should at least be helpful and point you in the right direction. Hopefully. So let's get into the video. Now here's the first lesson on creating passive income. You will need some type of investment to get it started. You're either investing your money to buy your way to passive income, or in this case, you're investing your time. Now let's get this cleared up right away from the very beginning. The notion that passive income can be free is utter bullshit. It's never free, and in this case, it's going to cost your time. A lot of time. And not only that, you need to stay disciplined, consistent, and risk not making anything in the pursuit of trying to make something. This entire video is not about making money for doing absolutely nothing. And also, when you're using your time to create passive income sources, it's so important to understand that if it were easy, everyone would be doing it. Now, some people can absolutely make it look easier than others, but you cannot be the type of person who gives up easily, who gets discouraged, and just quits when you don't see immediate results. Because I have to say, unfortunately, that's probably most people. In order to do well at this, you must be able to do your own research and understand that no one is out there who's going to do all of the work for you. If you can't figure out how to do something on your own, unfortunately, you're not going to make it. The whole point of this video and the reality of making passive income from nothing is that you're going to be front-loading all of the work right now to potentially set something up to run on its own later. And secondly, you'll separate the aspect of trading your time for money to set something up that can generate you income even while you sleep. And I'm saying all of this now because I don't want to feed you with any magical crap about like,
oh, just start a drop shipping website in your bedroom from your phone to make $7,000 a month.
Without giving you the dose of reality that there is a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes to make something like that happen. And when it comes to making passive income from nothing, I'm really such a firm believer that you are paid in direct proportion to how much value you provide to somebody else. You don't get paid any more or any less. Not only that, but it will depend on your ability to reach other people and understand how to do that. It's kind of like having the coolest, best product in the world, but if no one sees it and hits the like button, it won't succeed. Learning how to do this successfully is just as much a part of your job as anything else in relating to passive income. And like I said, if you're not providing some level of value or service to someone else, you will not be paid. It's as simple as that. Find out what your value proposition is and make that very well known from the very beginning, because like I said, you will not be getting paid for nothing. Now, the main differentiation between spending all of your time doing this and, let's say, investing your time working a 9-to-5 job for a guaranteed paycheck is that a passive income business cannot be capped on the number of hours you work, and the amount of money that you make cannot be determined by the number of hours you put in. Arguably, using the strategy can make you a lot more money than you ever could make by buying your way to passive income. But it's really important to understand what I just mentioned and then brace yourself for the future work that's cut out for you. So with the lengthy disclosure out of the way, let's go over a few of the ideas and concepts that you can implement to potentially make some extra money. But just be aware, there's a lot of scams surrounding some of these businesses, and it's very much like the saying, the best way to make $100 is to charge someone else $100 to teach them how to make $100. And so many people realize this and understand this who have not the best intentions. So always do your own research, be skeptical about who you listen to, and if something ever sounds too good to be true, It is. And all of these ideas are really just meant to plant the seed for you. So if one of them sounds interesting, then it's up to you to actually water the seed and grow it into a tree. I'm not sure if that's the right analogy to use there, but you get the idea. Like, I can't do that stuff for you, but at the very least, if I can provide some clarity and direction for anyone who wants to do this, then by all means, mission accomplished. Now first, because I like to lead by example, I'm going to be going over exactly how I was able to do it, and then after that, I'll share some other strategies that other people have used that have been very successful for them. So with that said, let's get into the video. Now the first way that I've been able to create passive income from absolutely nothing is through information, and I'll break that down as follows. The first one, obviously, is starting the YouTube channel. Now I don't want to spend too long on this topic because I made several videos on this already in depth going over this, but basically, I was really interested in talking about real estate and real estate investing and making passive income and anything regarding personal finance. So I basically used YouTube as my creative outlet to go and basically be in my garage on a Thursday afternoon, all alone, talking to a camera about how to make money. That sounds so weird to say that, but that's basically what my outlet became. I also noticed back then that there was a huge lack of information when it came to financial videos here on YouTube. So I figured like, hey, let me at least make the videos that I would want to watch myself. I can't be the only one that would want to see them, and I will just have fun doing this. And I never intended for those videos to do well. I never expected anyone to actually watch me. I never thought I could possibly make any money doing this, and I was quickly proven wrong. And within the first few months, I think I made a few $1,000s from absolutely $0 investment whatsoever. And back then, I just filmed terrible quality content with my iPhone 6, and I just edited with my computer using the free software iMovie. I spent a lot of time too on the Reddit community, NewTubers, where I would learn like YouTube SEO and how to title things and like look at thumbnails and just spend a lot of time researching like exactly what to do. And pretty much after I made a few $1,000s talking to my iPhone, which is crazy to say, I just invested all of that money back into the camera that I'm using today, some lighting equipment, some very basic stuff. But that helped me get more views and that helped me earn more money. And then I took all of that money and then I built out this whole studio, which then even makes more money. And now I'm in the process of setting up another studio so I can continue expanding and just reinvesting back into this. But I gotta say, like, all of this isn't required. I got my first 30,000 subscribers just filming with my iPhone, just talking to it and having no idea what I was doing. And don't ever give me the excuse that you don't have the personality to make YouTube videos, because trust me, I felt the same way. For years, I thought that no one would care to listen to what I have to say. I felt like I wasn't charismatic to be in front of the camera. Trust me, there's someone out there who will watch you. There is someone out there that will find your personality relatable or interesting to them. So if you think you'll have a good time doing this, then by all means, have a great time filming on YouTube. It is one of the most enjoyable things that I've ever done, and I can't imagine basically now not making YouTube videos because it's so much fun. And then of course, in terms of the monetary aspect, I mean, basically the sky is the limit with YouTube. There are people making 6 to 7 figures every single month by making YouTube videos. And I know that's a very small percentage of the people out there, but I have to say, like, I never expected to be one of those people, you know, that, like, I don't think of myself like, oh, you know, I'm gonna start YouTube, make a ton of money. Never occurred to me. So anyway, all I'm saying is that it's possible, and I think as long as you enjoy it and you have the determination to learn on your own, I think YouTube can be a phenomenal way to make passive income with $0. Now secondly, speaking of information products, I did create 2 programs. One of them was aimed towards real estate agents and teaching them the business, and the second one was about the YouTube algorithm and teaching people how to grow a business here on YouTube. Now these are 2 programs that I spent a lot of time creating up front. I spent months putting these things together. But once I did it, then you just release it into the wild and you let it sell itself. And you guys know me, like, I'm not a very salesy person when it comes to this. I rarely ever mention it in my videos, and most people are actually surprised to know that I even offer a program or something like that. But I have found that even just putting a link in the description, and I'm in the firm belief that, like, if something's going to sell, I think the quality should speak for itself and the quality should sell itself. But even just putting a link in the description has made me over $100,000 per program just by making all the work up front and putting a link in the description without becoming a salesy sort of like schemy person. Now I'm sure it's very easy to stop me here and be like, but Graham, you have a following. The average person can't do that. Now, 2 things when it comes to that. Number 1, I know people with a significantly smaller following who make a significantly more money than I do when it comes to informational products. And secondly, I had 0 following 2.5 years ago. I had basically no social media. I had no idea how to do anything on social media. No one followed me. No one knew me. None of that. So I'm saying, like, it's okay to start off with zero right now. We all started off with zero. I didn't just sign up for an account on YouTube and like, oh, there's 700K subs. Like, that doesn't happen. Like, this is a very long time coming that I've really been working towards this. I just really believe that the willingness to learn and improve is so much more important than being born with like any sort of natural talent or being good on social media from the very beginning, because those people can only go so far. But if you're willing to learn and improve as you go along, you will go so much further. But again, going back to informational products, it's really just about the economies of scale. Like, it's very inefficient to teach one person at a time. With the same time that I can spend teaching one person about YouTube, I can film it and reach thousands of people for the exact same amount of time as I would spend teaching one person. Now, I really don't want to make this video sound like a sales pitch for my programs or anything like that, because that's not my intention. But I do want to say there is a reason why everyone is offering a course. Because they do really, really, really well, and they're very profitable. This is because it costs pretty much nothing to make except your time. There's absolutely no overhead whatsoever, and you can reach anybody in the world. And as long as you put the customer first and you give them more information than they paid for, and you actually make something that's decent and helpful, then I think you'll do incredibly well offering some sort of information or how-to tutorial-based program. And especially if you make it as complete as you possibly can, it could have a very long lifespan. Now, the third way to make passive income with $0, and I'm sure a few of you guys have noticed this in the description, is the Amazon affiliate store link, where I'd link to some of my camera equipment and some of the things that I have in the video. My total investment for doing this was just going on and creating an Amazon store link, spending about 20 minutes going and just adding my items to the store, and then taking that link and putting it in the description. And as you can see here, over the last 30 days, I've made almost $1,200 in 1 month just by doing this. Now, of course, this has been a pretty good month though. Most months are anywhere between $500 and $800 a month, but still, you gotta think, like, to make $500 to $800 a month for placing a link in the description is absolutely incredible. Now, Amazon affiliates is pretty much the easiest thing for any sort of beginner to start with, because first of all, it's Amazon. It's very easy to drive traffic to Amazon. You have so many products that you can link to, and it's just all around a very, very, very simple concept. And of course, you also get paid anytime someone buys something through your link. Even if you link to, let's say, this fake cactus-y thing, you can click my Amazon link, but if you buy, like, let's say this instead, I get paid on this even though you clicked the link for this. So this is why I'm really such a huge fan of the Amazon affiliate network, and this could be even just you reviewing a product and then linking to it at the bottom of your product review, creating a blog about something, creating a YouTube post about, like, you know, how great this thing is. This thing is actually really great, by the way. Thought it was bigger from the picture, but besides that, like, A+, if you guys want to buy this and make me like 30 cents, that is in the link in the description. Now, the fourth way to make passive income with $0 is through social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. Now, here's the one thing I want to make very clear, is that I have never offered any sort of paid promotion through my Instagram or Facebook group. But wow, I have received so many offers, probably close to 100 offers, of people offering thousands of dollars to basically have me promote something over an Instagram story or an Instagram post. I've turned them all down, by the way. I don't feel good about doing that, but I know several people who do that and can easily make like $5,000 to $6,000 a month just by posting a few things, like, you know, a week on Instagram. And all of these, by the way, are people who are not Instagram famous or anything like that. They just grew an organic following within a certain niche, and then they charge sponsors or advertisers to reach that niche. Or sometimes they just offer their own affiliate links within their own group for products that people might be interested in. Like for you, if you have a hobby or something that you're interested in, I guarantee there's at least 10,000 to 100,000 other people that are into the exact same thing. I would use Facebook and Instagram to target those people and build an organic following around that. No paid promotion, no spammy stuff or anything like that. Just grow it all organically. And that audience is going to be incredibly valuable in the event that you ever want to monetize that in the future. Now, besides that, here's a few other ways that many people have been successful with absolutely $0 investment. Now, one of them is running an Airbnb business. That's right, Airbnb. This is becoming so popular that even Tai Lopez began running ads on this, and I have to admit, for the foreseeable future, this is actually pretty interesting. Now, this is basically when you go to a property that's on the market for lease or for sale, and you go and approach the owner, and then you tell the owner that you will manage the property as an Airbnb in exchange for a percentage of the profit. That way, the homeowner can generate more money than if they rented it on a long-term lease, or if the home is sitting vacant while it's waiting for a sale. The home is at least bringing in some income, the owner has no management whatsoever, and you, in return, get paid for basically just coordinating all of this and managing it. Now, the difficult part a lot of people seem to have when it comes to this is really just piecing together the right team of a cleaning crew and coordinating some of the entry and exits and handling all of the customer requests. But I do know several people who do this on a large scale and have built up a very successful business with $0 out of pocket to start. Now, it does take some time to get to the point where your team can do most of the work for you, but if this is something you're interested in and you understand the regulation around Airbnb, this is definitely a good option that you can look into. Now, besides that, you have the typical mentions of running a blog post that everyone mentions on YouTube. It's the most cliche thing about how to make passive income from $0. Starting a blog, or you can do affiliate marketing and basically drive traffic to a website to sell someone else's product. These are absolutely viable options to make some passive income with $0 investment, just as long as you're willing to put in the time to learn it. But overall, I don't want to delude you to thinking that making passive income with $0 is going to be quick or easy, because it's not. The thing is, what you aren't investing in terms of money, you're gonna have to make up with your time, and that is a lot of time. Now, I'm never gonna say that it's not worth it, because you can make significantly more money putting your time into something and building up a passive income source than you ever could trading your time and hours for dollars. Don't ever be mistaken that $0 is really $0, because your time is always gonna be worth something. But like I said, if you're interested, at least I hope this video provides you with some type of clarity or direction to at least get you thinking about these things so that you can begin looking into it yourself and maybe making it happen on your own. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoy videos like this, as always, to destroy the like button, destroy the subscribe button, destroy the notification bell, add me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily, so if you want to be a part of it there, feel free to add me there. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.